Today I am here to make the another blog. As you can see, this is my school called Alhas Tajmal Khan Goft High School. So there was a time when I was a student of this school, and I want to mention or I want to appreciate all of my teacher who helped me to stay in this position. Although I am not someone who is very reputational in Bangladesh, but they helped me a lot to improve myself, my life. So actually the contribution of a teacher is not forgettable easily. So that's why I don't have just purpose of forgetting them from my mind. So as you can see, there is someone who is my brother, and he's really interested in learning English, and he's here with me to see my school, and he's very impressed to see my school, that how my school is decorated. I mean, how decorated my school is. As you can see, there is some young boys who are watching my videos, and they may think that what I am doing, and I'm trying to make a video. They don't know this matter. I think whenever they will be 16 or 17 years old, they also will be able. Where is this man? They also will be able to speak in English very well. So I am wishing them best, and seeking their enlightened life. I think something special is waiting for them. So let's talk about once again the school of ours, the school. So I really miss from my mind, and it's my dream to come back once again in my school life. Although it's not possible, but having a dream is not a crime. So I want to be a student again and again of them who helped me to stay in this position, or to be in this position. So if you have any junior brother, you can say them to admit in the school. I think the guidance, I mean, how they teach, this is outstanding. And if I want to say in a word, this is incredible. So make this video. I mean, make all. Ciao.